Hello and welcome. This is a video tutorial for how to reserve inventory on the STEM Library Lab website. We're going to go up and type in stemlibrarylab.org, and from there we can go to either inventory or getting started. Both will take us to the same place. So now we are in the inventory landing page. In the future you'll be able to select exactly the filters you want. So if you wanted models for high school biology, you could search and pull up just those results. At present, that functionality doesn't work yet, so we have the entire inventory. You can go ahead and select just one category for the time being, so be that a grade level, a subject, or a type of usage you're looking for if you want to narrow down your search. So we're going to go ahead and log in. And you'll type in your username and password. If you don't remember your username and password, you can click Forgot Password and get both username and password if needed. But I do remember mine, so I'm going to go to Log In. And I'm back to this page. So now I can search something specific. If I want photosynthesis items, photosynthesis, synthesis. Okay, and it doesn't just bring up items that have photosynthesis in the name. I want the pH sensor. That's what I'm looking for. So from here, this one has a picture and a description, and you can also see it's blocked out for the next 3 days, so I can reserve it starting on Friday. I'm going to go to Reserve, and I'm going to say I want to pick it up on Saturday. I want to be able to use it on the weekend and practice with it, and then I'm going to use it next week in my classroom, and I'm going to bring it back the following Saturday. Reservations are for a week. If you need it for an extra week, you can renew it, but for the time being, we can reserve items for 1 week. So I hit Start, and it is now added to my cart. For this particular item, I need other pieces to go along with it. So there isn't currently a functionality that says you also need the lab quest. In the future, we'll either get it written in here. Oh, it does say probe must be used with a lab quest or lab quest mini. So I would go ahead and add the lab quest to my cart as well. Just for the sake of learning how to do this, we're going to go to our cart and we're going to hit checkout. So now let's say I want 10. I'm going to do activities with the whole class, and they're going to work in groups. But it says I can only enter values of less than or equal to 1, so I'm going to go ahead and say need 10 of these. I've got a few options. So let's say I can't see a picture of the item and I'm not exactly sure what it is. If I know that I'm close, I need something that's some sort of a pH sensor, but I'm not sure what, you can give me a specific link to Amazon. If you have found it on Amazon and you want to just give me the exact link, and that way I know exactly what you're looking for. Or maybe you found it on Carolina Biological, so you can give me a link to Carolina. Whatever the item may be, if you know exactly what you're looking for, just drop that link in, and then I'll get back with you and we can make sure we're getting exactly what you need. If you just need something approximate, if you need thermometers, if you need some sort of a scale, but it doesn't matter what, then go ahead and reserve what you need, or reserve the item that it says on there, and we'll make sure that we get you something that works for you. So for here, I'm going to go ahead and say add a little note. That's just a helpful thing to do to the person reading. And submit that reservation. Boom. It'll read that it is pending. STEM Library Lab staff will see that you have submitted a reservation and they will approve it. Once it is approved, you'll get an email confirming. So if you are not sure if you've done this right, if you just want to make sure, go ahead and shoot me an email, twackerman@stemlibrarylab.org, and let me know that you sent something in, that you're not sure if you did it right, that you have a question, and I'll make sure to get back with you so that we know that everything's in the pipeline and ready to go. In this case, we're all set. We see the reservation has been saved, and we feel good about things. So that is your tutorial on how to reserve items from the STEM Library Lab website. Thanks so much.